Hello again. Right. Hello, Sue here again on the 3rd of January. Earlier, if you saw my previous video, it's where I was cleaning the walls in the polytunnel, some of them, and now I'm actually going to sow some seeds as my reward for doing that. It's getting quite late now. I'm just going to show you the seeds I'm going to sow. I mean, if they don't grow, we'll sow them again, but we can try. We'll get cracking with the seed sowing. So I've just washed out my tray. I washed it all out, and I've washed out one of these lids so we can cover them up. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. I'm just going to do my seeds. So I'll just show the seeds. So I've decided to sow. So we've got, so what we can do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lots of seeds. One row of each. So let's have a look what we can sow. So we're going to just try some seeds. So we're going to do some dill. So we'll sow some dill. And we've got some rocket. So we're going to sow a row of rocket. We're going to sow 2 rows of the early sprouting broccoli. I have got some outside already growing, but it seems to have been eaten quite a lot, but it might be alright. This is lettuce. This is a winter lettuce, so we're going to sow that and then we can put it in the polytunnel once it grows on a bit. The reason why I don't sow anything direct in the polytunnel really is because it usually gets eaten by something. So if I sow, do them first. These are some really old seeds. So we're just going to sow those, and if they don't grow, it doesn't matter. I'm going to sow the hollyhocks because I noticed the ones on the wall I've got out here waiting to be put in the garden are still alright, even though they've been in a frost. I'm going to sow some more mizuna because I do have some clumps of mizuna in here, so it's quite hardy. I'm going to take some of this in today. I'm going to have a bit of salad, and we got some, I think that's parsley there. Oh yeah, what are these? Well, I don't think I will sow those today. We do some salad onions. I just thought I'd sow some spring onions. These are winter hardy, so they're white Lisbon. So they're supposed to be alright for the winter. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do the hollyhocks separately actually. Last one. Oh, I wanted to sow this rhubarb that I got. It says from February, but I'm going to sow it now. So I'm going to sow rhubarb seeds this time because I'm not very good with rhubarb. So I thought if I try doing it for seed, I'll sow one lot now, and then we'll sow some more later and see what happens. So it's cheaper to buy a packet of seeds than it is to buy another plant that then just dies. I have tried growing it in here. I've tried growing it around the other side of the garden. I've tried growing it in another part of the garden, and it doesn't seem to like it anywhere yet. So I'm going to grow it from seed and see if I can grow it over like where my no-dig garden is. Maybe I like it over there because it's a lot more boggy, wet, different kind of soil, and I think that rhubarb likes sort of that kind of soil because it's quite leafy, and it seems like, oh look, we'll just try. Anyway, that's what we're going to do right now. So we're just going to put these seeds here, what we're going to do. Then another day we'll do these onions, carmine, and some coriander. We'll leave them there for now because I don't know, because Simon wants me to come and help him do something in a minute. I think he wants me to show him what heads to cut. These garlic here are no good. I'm actually going to just put them on the compost bin, which is why they're still hanging here. I'm not going to bother with garlic. I'm fed up with trying to grow garlic. I have tried to grow it, and I haven't planted any yet, so unless I can get some garlic bulbs from somewhere, I won't be growing it. These were shop bought garlic, but they're so small, and I've got loads of garlic powder indoors and stuff, so I'm not really bothered. So let's get on, take off my glasses now, and we'll sow the seeds. Let's get cracking. So I've got a tray here, and we're just going to put the compost in. This is our first sowing of 2023. One of many. See what grows this year and what doesn't. What's the point? A lot of things don't grow, that's for sure. But you've got to just keep trying it. It's getting dark. It's actually getting dark. Every time he wants me to go and help him how much hay he needs to cut. Alright, good. What did you want me to come and help you with? You want me to do it now before I do my seeds? Right, that's prepped. Ready to go. Right, I'll be back in a minute after I've done this little job. It's 4:05. I was wondering why it was getting dark, but it is actually 4:05. So I've been outside all day since 20 to 12. Yeah, I've been out all day. So I'm just going to do these seeds because I really want to do it. See me, because I think the camera has a light on it anyway. So let's hurry up before it does get dark and I won't be able to see what I'm doing. So we're going to start off with the, what are we going to start off with? The broccoli. Yeah, we'll do the broccoli first. I'll hurry up and open the packet. Yep, it's a bit dark, can't really see what I'm doing. Right. Right, that's the broccoli. 2 rows. Now we'll do some radish.
Just pick up the shears that I left over there.
I did.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I put them in the
Right.
garage.
This looks amazing. I can see your bumps.
Well, no, I can't believe it.
Well, it's a good time of year to do it.
It is the best time
Yeah.
because you're not growing anything in the
So we need
polytunnel
to
yet.
look at a sponge on a stick.
There. I'll try to figure it out. Well, I must be able to get one. I'm sure they must do one.
I'm sure we can make one. I'm
Yeah,
sure
I'll
we've got
make
something.
one. I'm sure your ingenious brain
No, we'll do it on like that.
will think of something. Hmm?
much in here. Oh, I need to take my hat off as well, Bobs.
Oh yeah. You don't want to wear that indoors.
Over
A
here.
bit pack heavy. Dog barking. Good old bark. What are these? Oh, I must remember to do the rhubarb. That is the whole point of this. Just do one more. There we go. One more.
They need to dry out this there, Bobs.
What they?
Just to dry out.
Okay.
We'll put it on there.
No, just leave it on the actual gravel. I've got some bulbs in there.
Going in, Bob.
Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Right. So I'll put one row of rhubarb seeds in because they might not take, it might be too soon to do those, so I'll do the labels tomorrow, but I did get a free rhubarb one and I've only done one row. I've done 2 rows of the radish and 2 rows of the whatever it is, I can't remember now. I've already forgotten. It's on the label. We do some winter lettuce. It's starting to get really dark now. I just want to get this done. At least get some seeds in. I might not take any. I'll do one row of winter lettuce. And we'll sow some more in a couple of weeks. That's it. I'll leave the label there because otherwise I won't remember what they are. So I'll do the label tomorrow. And the light. Right. Let's speed up a bit. We'll do some spring onions. Can't really see, it's quite dark. And these onions have got black seeds and I've got black cloves on. Right. One more thing. I'm going to put in this lettuce that's out of date. I'm going to use all of it. If we get one out of it, I'll be happy. But if we don't, we're done. Right, we're done. Well, we've done some seeds. I'm really happy now. And I really wanted to get some seeds started to put on my table that I just cleaned. Right, I'm going to put them on the table over there, and then we're going to just water them. So that's all the seeds done today. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different kinds of things, and we'll put them over here, and we'll give them a water and cover them up. Shut the door tunnel. Where's the lid? Okay. One I just washed. These two I haven't washed. Oh yeah, there it is. I'm going crazy. I'm going to cover them up. Oh. Just leave it like that for a minute. Right. That's it. Well, tomorrow we'll do some more seeds. We'll start doing seeds now. This is great. We'll do some more of these tomorrow. Probably next day. Whenever. Might not be tomorrow if I get to do some swimming. But it's easy doing seeds. Anyway, I'll just turn the camera around and show you what I just did, and then we'll just say goodbye. So that'd be the seed sowing section. It's getting really dark now. I don't think it shows up that much on the camera. It looks quite light on the camera, but it's actually getting really dark. So let me just turn the camera around and show you the seeds I just part of our table for 2024. We've now sowed some seeds, our first lot of the year. So there we are. So I'm really happy. We'll do some labels tomorrow, and I'll put them in. Just done it like that so I don't forget what I've sowed where. Anyway, so polytunnel looking good. I'm really happy with it. I'm glad I did that today, and Simon's been doing loads of hedge cutting today outside. Let me see if I can just show you. I just need to put my camera inside its cover, because if I accidentally drop it, that would not be good. The phone's in its cover. Anyway, I'm done now. So Simon just brought in his hat and this basket to dry out. Got my chair here. Yeah, so that's it. It's that table. See, I put all that stuff over there now. So my seed sowing table, all the seeds that I start go on that table, and once they get bigger I put them on here. But a lot of this stuff needs potting on, because in this vase here is a load of well, I've told you before, hydrangeas, and I need to put them on now. Anyway, I'll pick up these hanging baskets. They're looking quite nice on the garden, aren't they? Because there's nothing else growing at the minute apart from a bit of mizuna, some celery and stuff, but not much else. Anyway, let's turn the camera and say goodbye. Oh, I just want to show you quick the hedge. So you just cut some of that hedge over there because it had long spiky bits. But the hedge cutter is really heavy, by the way. But he just done that. Oh dear, we're running out of power. I just need to turn the camera on all day, really, and it's dying now. So thank you for watching. Please give me a like and a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry if it's a bit steamy looking, because it's probably dirty, the lens. Anyway, bye for now. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Tell your friends and family about my channel. Thank you. Bye.